project for today. It's Friday. I am going to paint the interior of these two French doors that were replaced a few years ago. I just haven't had the opportunity till now to paint them. They were already primed, so they just need to be painted. And with the color that I'm painting today is just white. Not any other color, so let me begin. I'll be painting this with a paintbrush too, by the way. I also decided to paint the interior of the door going into the garage, the personnel door, so here's that.